Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PI I hope you guys are doing great, and yes, you have applied for the Akasa Air already for the cabin crew job roles. I am making this video to help you out with few questions asked by Akasa Air through the online assessment. So through the online assessment they were asking few questions which is important, and I have noted it down for you people. And also I want to clarify, this interview is for male and female both. So boys who is watching this video, this is for you. You can also give online assessment. This vacancy is also for you too. Okay, so let me start with the things which I'm going to share with you people. So let me start with the zero. So जब आप अकासा एयर में अप्लाई करते हो, जिसकी वीडियो मैं ऑलरेडी बना चुकी हूँ अपने चैनल पे है, लिंक मैं लास्ट में दे दूंगी, आप देख लेना. आपको जब आप अप्लाई करते हो तो आपको वेट करनी है. यू हैव वंस यू विल अप्लाई फॉर द अकासा एयर फॉर द पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन, you have to give online assessment first, and then only you will get the venue mail or like on behalf of Akasa Air that you have to visit the venue with these documents, and then we will conduct the interview with you in a group or whatever it is. So first you have to apply, and then you have to wait for the email by Akasa Air. Once you will receive the email, it can be two different kinds of email. First, it can be directly walk-in interview for you. It can be directly walk-in interview for you. It means they are not going to ask you for the any online assessment and then the rounds. They will ask you for the directly walk-in interview. These are the venues. These you have to come here with these documents and come and go give the interviews. This is the first scenario. Second scenario, maybe through the mail they will ask you to give the online assessment first, and then only they will call you for the like venue once you will get shortlisted. So there's two kinds of scenarios, and both are happening with different candidate. आपको इन दोनों में से कोई एक ही सिनेरियोस हो सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि दोनों ही आपको मिलेंगे. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कि ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट जब आपकी होती है तब what are the questions they are going to ask you and how it is going to appear in the screen. So once you will click on the link, you will receive by the email one link, and you have to click on it. You have to register first, and then video assessment will appear. So video assessment is all about camera recording video, like they are recording you, so you cannot use any AI tools, you cannot move your eyes, you cannot move your head. अगर वो आपको ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं, so they will disqualify you at the same time. It may show you that you have reached the limitations of interviews and you are not allowed to give interviews. ऐसे भी something will pop up on your screen. So just be aware while giving the interviews. So few questions I have collected. It depends on them how many questions they are going to ask you during the interview. So it is not fixed, guys. Like they have asked one girls only 3 questions and that's it. It doesn't mean that they are going to ask you 3 questions. It can be 5 to 6, 7 questions also. So just note it down what are the questions they are going to ask you through the online assessment, and questions are very easy. In the screen there will be two parts. In first part you can see your questions, whatever it is appearing on the screen, you have to read it aloud and then you have to prepare your answer. And in the second part, it is showing your face. It means they are recording you while giving the answers in front of camera. So just be aware whatever you are doing in front of camera. So first question is pros and cons of social media. So this is the most repetitive question asked by online assessment, so please prepare for it. Pros and cons of social media. Next is, what would you prefer, reading a book or watching a movie throughout a journey? So if you are in a journey, what you will prefer, reading a book or watching any movie? क्योंकि journey के time पे we choose something to just do a time pass. Number three there is, what is your favorite place and why? So this is the question, what is your favorite place and why? Number 4, this is the last question, why do you want to join Akasa Airline? So this question is also mandatory. They do ask why you want to join Akasa Airline. And number 5, what are the uses of smartphones? So uses of smartphones, you have to answer it. So ये 5 questions है जो आपको questions से पूछेंगे. उसके बाद में वो आपको ऐसे सवाल पूछेंगे जो कि different category में आ जाती है. Questions like, are you comfortable with different shift hours? So if you are comfortable, then you can just say about it. Now then, what is your height and what is your BMI? So ऐसा questions आपको वो पूछेंगे during the interviews only. So you can just give answers in 1 or 2 lines. Just do not say my height is this and this. You can add on some lines and then you can answer it. And when they will ask you, are you comfortable with all the different shifts, just do not say that yes, I'm comfortable. Add few lines so that it will give a great impact about you. So these are the questions which they are asking during the Akasa Air, and they are not asking any introduction kind of thing. So still you can prepare. रब राखा कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं. So you can also prepare introduction part as they haven't asked it yet. But yeah, introduction part is always important, so do not forget to like remember it thoroughly. Whatever you have like written on your mind or written in the copy, just learn it so that you can speak in front of the camera. So these are the questions, guys. Still, if you have given the interview and if you know few more questions during the online assessment they have asked to you, let me know in the comment section so that other girls will get help, boys will get help while giving the interviews. This is it, guys. I hope this video will guide you. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to the candidate who is going for the interview, and if you need few more videos related to different topics, let me know in the comment section so that I can discuss with you and I will make video on it separately. So don't forget to like this video, guys. Bye.